welcome back to my channel. And today video we are gonna play Clash Royale and in the ramp up battle. So first I'm gonna show you my deck, my emotes and my trophies. Actually this is the deck number 1 cycle deck which I won't use most often, and this is the deck in which I'm gonna play today's challenge. And this is my third deck, or called my battle deck, in which my favorite card Elite Barbarians, which is level 12, is there, including with Knight and Mega Knight. Okay guys, and this is the deck number 4, and this is attack deck, and I use this for 2v2 most oftenly. And in deck number 5 I just keep random decks. I don't know what is this also. Okay guys, so let's begin the battle. I mean the ramp up challenge battle with my challenge battle deck. You can see I already played one battle by mistakenly and won it, unfortunately. And yeah, let's begin it. Okay, his name is Kimono, or maybe something I can't read. And yeah, I'm having furnace. I'm gonna place it here. I'm gonna send knight for some back. Okay, push. Oh, okay. It's level 8 royal logs. Hope they won't do much damage. Okay, and I don't have much elixir to spend on bandit because I have to send my push, which is Giant Skeleton with Sparky, and maybe some spirits of the furnace to give some backup. First, I'm gonna place Sparky over here. Oh, level 8 Musketeer incoming. I think she'll be dead by Sparky. Thanks. He activated my King Tower by mistakenly, and I said thanks for it. Okay, Skeleton Dragons incoming. And I want my bandit, I mean Sparky, to give a shot for my tower, but it didn't happen. No worries, guys. But still, I took a little bit damage to the tower by bomb of Giant Skeleton. Oh, he doesn't know that I'm having even Skeleton army in my deck. Okay, guys, Kepler, I don't care. And yes, I'm gonna play Sparky again here. I know what's his push now. He's gonna keep poison most probably. Yes, and did it. And now he may be keeping Skeleton Dragon, for which I'm prepared with my furnace. Hope to take his tower. Let's see. Why did Sparky hit there? This is bad, guys. But still, we are gonna win, I think. Not think. Yes, we are gonna win. And getting my elixir too fast, and I'm sending the push also too quick. Oh, it's Mega Knight. I don't care, guys. It's getting melted up by my Inferno Dragon there. And yeah, Skeleton Dragon are dead. And it's a tower gone for him. And I'm gonna send the same push this side, so that in any case he takes one of my tower, I can win the match though. Gonna keep knight with skeletons to waste my elixir, cause I'm winning this match. It's log for him. It's trying too hard to win, but he can't, because I'm miraculous. And Mega Knight is coming again. Can't win anyhow. Okay guys, I forgot to show you my emote. This is my emote, which I like so much, because that irritates opponents, and as you saw, he also got irritated. So we won it, and two more remaining, and hope to win both the tokens now only, so that I can get qualified to this and play this also in the same video. Okay, let's do another battle. And yes, we are back, guys, and I'm having Furnace, Skeleton Army, Log, and Sparky. I'm gonna place Furnace here. And my 12 elixir push is ready now, but I need elixir and I'm waiting for it. So Valkyrie incoming, and I'm gonna place my Sparky for the 10 skeleton army here. I think I may be not able to keep my giant skeleton here. Let's see what happens. Okay guys, I can't keep, so I'm sending my knight there. Oh, and skeleton army did a good damage over here. Did not see that actually. It is a good thing. And yes, my Sparky wanted to hit it, and it did. I just want one shot from Sparky. Oh, he freezed it, guys. Have to be careful with any of his cards. At last moment, if he freezes my cards, it's gonna be very bad for me. It's Expo there and it's Skeleton Army here. And let's see if he keeps Soil Kare. Oh no, I did not expect this. But still, no worries. It's targeting my Sparky. And it targeted my tower now, but my Inferno Dragons melted it. I'm sending Giant Skeleton now. Oh oh. I hope so. It doesn't have any spells for Prince. I mean, Skeleton Army, except. Oh, I forgot that he's having log. I mean, freeze. Let's see who gets the most damage. Okay, he gets the more damage. But yeah, my furnace, the spirits from it are jumping there. And I'm not gonna place my Skeleton Army. Instead, I'm gonna. I placed my knight over there. Yes, I'm gonna send Sparky here. Okay, he's using for Expo for defense, which is good actually. Not for me, for him. So I want my Sparky to not get distracted and to hit a shot. And here it comes. The tower gone, and yes, we are back into the match, guys. I don't want to spend much of my elixir. Okay. Oh, and it's there. It is. It's Expo again. Oh. I'm gonna plan for 3 tower, guys. But as he is attacking my second tower, even I'm gonna do the same for him. Oh. I want my giant skeleton to kill everyone there. I think that is not possible. But yeah, only Inferno Dragon was left. And all of my time is getting waste in just defending, guys. I wanna even attack, which is important thing right now. And I'm gonna send my Sparky here. Inferno Dragon there. My knight here and log here. And I got back my giant skeleton, which is a good thing. Now, yeah, I want the Expo to hit my skeleton army. That only happened there. And I'm placing my Sparky even here. 2 Sparkies there. And yes. It's the moment of thrust and gone. Surely gone. Nobody tries to mess us with me. Take some emote. Oh, he's having emote of Prince. This is nice. But that doesn't irritate more than my emote. So we'll be back in the next battle, guys. So I'm gonna battle for the last token, that is legendary token. So let's begin it. And yes, and I got my 4 cards, which is Furnace, Giant Skeleton, Skeleton Army, and Lock. So first thing, I'm gonna place Furnace here. And now I'm ready with my 12 elixir push. Oh, it's Royal Giant incoming. I'm just gonna keep Skeleton Army for him. I'm gonna play Sparky for Wizard. I have one spectating, I don't know who is it. Maybe my friend Shreyas. And my push is ready, guys. And I'm having even log with me. In case if he keeps any skeleton thing like skeleton army. But I'm sure that my spark is gonna hit his oh no. Expected is spark hitting electro wizard, but that didn't happen, guys. Oh, his spark is incoming, and I literally don't have much time to defend Sparky. Much elixir actually. Yes, I managed to defend. I'm gonna keep Inferno Dragon to smell down his Royal Giant. This time I'm gonna keep Knight for push instead of Giant Skeleton. Oh, we have even Sparky there. Oh, and yes, this is a rare thing to see, guys, that my Sparky with so less life killed Electro Wizard, including other Sparky. And I'm gonna keep skeletons. Oh, that is not a big thing to worry about. However, the Royal Giant is gonna take one of my tower easily. So I'm going for second tower push. But here he's trying to take down my third tower also, which is literally the thing to worry. Okay, finally his Royal Giant is dead, and I'm gonna keep Giant Skeleton for defense. Hope so all of his cards are killed by my bomb. Yes, most of them got killed. Yes, and I just gonna defend my tower for 16 seconds, and after that it will be victory, guys. And I hope to defend. Oh, winning with 168 HP with my tower. This is so cool. Okay, guys. So this was the first challenge, and I'm happy to hear that I'm qualified for the next challenge. Hope to qualify the next challenge also. That is this thing. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, ring the bell icon to get more notification about my channel. Bye.